Verse 26. After Terah had lived 70 years, he became the father of Abram. Pagkalipas daw ng 70 years, naging anak ni Terah si Abram. So ito po yung Abram, ito yung naging Abraham. Genesis 21, verse 5. Abraham was 100 years old when his son Isaac was born to him. Pagkalipas daw ng 100 years, naging anak ni Abraham si Isaac. Sa Genesis 25:26, after this, his brother came out with his hand grasping Esau's heel, so he was named Jacob. Isaac was 60 years old when Rebekah gave birth to them. Pagkalipas daw ng 60 years, naging anak ni Isaac si Jacob. So, sulat niyo po, huwag niyo kalilimutan yung mga span of years, yung mga interval. Sa Genesis 47, verse 9, and Jacob said to Pharaoh, "The years of my pilgrimage are 130 years." Ito ang panahon ng pagdating ni Jacob sa Egypt dahil kinuha na siya ni Joseph na noon ay may mataas ng katungkulan sa Egypt. Si Jacob ay 130 years old na noon. 130 po. Ibig sabihin, may lumipas na 130 years mula sa pagsilang ni Jacob bago siya umapak sa Egypt. Sa Exodus chapter 12 verse 40, now the length of time the Israelite people lived in Egypt was 430 years. 430 po. Si Jacob ay tinatawag na ngayong Israel. At dito sinabi na mula sa pag-apak ni Jacob Israel sa Egypt na malagi sila doon ng 430 years saka naganap ang Exodus or ang kanilang paglisan sa pamumuno na ni Moses.